So hey Floss Fam, it's your girl Marcy J, and if it's your first time here, then welcome, and if it's not, then welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this beautiful half up, half down in under 60 seconds, y'all. I'm about to put y'all on to game, so if you guys would like to see more, then make sure to continue watching. So Floss Fam, I'm super excited about today's review slash tutorial. Today I'll be reviewing Sensationnel's half up, half down, half wig unit. I'm super excited about this. If there's one thing about me, your girl loves a half up, half down hairstyle. I've been rocking them for so long, but it's been a minute since I've actually done it on myself. I believe they released this about, I say maybe like 2 years ago from what I've seen. And it's crazy that I'm just now catching on. Like, I feel like I'm super late. I'm sure there's a lot of people that didn't even know that this is out here. So let me be the one to spread the word and share this with y'all. So they actually have this in multiple styles. I decided to go with the UD2 curly texture, and I just feel like it'll match with my hair texture because you guys know that I'm natural. So I didn't want, you know, to get bone straight hair and there's a little bit of kink in my natural hair, and it just kind of threw the half up, half down look off. So I actually installed this over the weekend and it was bomb. I got numerous compliments on my hair. So I'm like, yo, let me jump on YouTube and let my Floss Fam know about this amazing sensational unit. And it's so easy. Like, you could literally get a half up, half down in literally a minute. So I'm gonna open this for y'all. So you can actually wear this instant up and down in 4 different styles. You can wear it as a half wig, you can wear it as a ponytail, a low ponytail, and you can also wear it as a high ponytail, and you can also wear it in half up, half down, which I think is extremely dope. And I got this in the shade 1B. This comes in multiple colors. So it does come with how-to instructions. It says to part your hair from ear to ear to the top of the head, dividing hair into 2 sections, which I already did. So the back portion of my hair is already braided and the front is already sleeked up. And the rest is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna jump in to this video. So let's take this hair out, y'all. So this is the half wig portion. I hope you guys could see. It comes with 2 combs on the top, and then it comes with 1 comb on the bottom, as well as a drawstring. Guys, pardon if this wig looks a little raggedy. You know, it's not fresh out the pack. Your girl done wore it already, okay? But I'm loving this. I'm digging this, and it's extremely lightweight. So I love lightweight hair because ain't nobody got time for all that heaviness on the head. And this is the ponytail attachment. This is what it looks like. It comes with 2 combs on the inside, 1 right here and 1 towards the end. And this is the wraparound piece right here. And I'm actually loving this wraparound piece because it's stretchy, so you can get it as tight as you need it to be. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what the back of my hair looks like. You could braid your hair, you could put your hair in a ponytail, but I decided to braid my hair, and I created an anchor braid right here so that I have something to put the combs into so that it could be secure, because we like security over here, y'all. So this is what my braids look like. It does not need to be neat, y'all. I just want to keep y'all hair in a protective state. So yeah. So consider the fact that you guys didn't get the opportunity to see me sleek my hair up in front. I did want to let you guys know that in order to sleek the front of my hair up, all I used was edge control. Y'all know I swear by this RQLN edge control, and I use Got To Be spray. And yeah, I just tied my hair down under a scarf, sleeked it up, did the baby hairs, and my hair has been in this position for, I say, about like 3 days now, and it's holding up pretty well. So all I gotta do is just throw my half wig on, put the ponytail on, and I'm good to go. So to start off this look, I'm actually going to start with the ponytail portion because I just feel like it's a lot more easier to manage when you apply the ponytail first, because I definitely tried doing the half wig first and I feel like it was a catastrophe. So I'm just gonna tie the loose ends of my braids together, and I'm gonna pin it up. So I'm just gonna pin that up like so. So this is the ponytail. I've actually watched a lot of videos on how to apply this, and I noticed that a lot of people were actually struggling. And I believe that 2 years ago when Sensational released this, it didn't come with 2 combs. So kudos to Sensational for listening to the public and adding an additional comb, because it helps tremendously. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this middle comb right here and I'm gonna stick it underneath my ponytail. I'm not gonna stick it in because I just didn't feel like it was secure when I attempted to do that. So we're gonna take the comb and stick it underneath like that. And I'm gonna take the other loose end of the ponytail where the other comb is at and stick that into my pony like that. And now I'm just gonna wrap. I'm gonna grab this portion and we're gonna start wrapping. And another reason why I made the knot so high with my natural hair is because I like my ponytails raised. I don't like them flat. So that's why I did that. So we wrapping it around once like this. You want to pull to ensure that it's neat. And you want to stretch it as much as possible. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And we're going around again, wrapping it around, wrapping it around one more time, like this. Could you see? And I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm gonna pin it in the back, like this. I'm gonna pin it through. And there we have it. Y'all see that? See that? Let me come up close so y'all can see what this is looking like. It looks like this. I know this is kind of sticking out, but don't even watch that, y'all. So, and to make sure that this is extra secure, I'm just gonna spray a little Got2b on there. And voila. That's one. You can adjust this, but I don't really care about this too much because it's not even gonna really show. Like once the hair is down like this, it don't even show. So it's fine, y'all. So this is how that looks. Like so, this is so cute. Imagine if this was just a ponytail. It's mad cute. Guys, please disregard the white residue on my sideburns. That's from the edge control. So now I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna clip it out the way so I could put the half wig on. So I'm just gonna create a bun like so. Just clip it. So now that we got the ponytail on, I'm going to apply the half wig. So the half wig is real easy to attach. So like I said, I created an anchor braid right here. So this anchor braid is gonna pose as my foundation to keep the comb secured. So I'm just gonna take the 2 combs like this and I'm gonna place it. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna come closer. I'm gonna put the comb in underneath my braid like this. So could y'all see underneath the braid like this? And then here's my braid. I'm gonna stick it underneath like that. And that's all, y'all. And I'm gonna take the back portion, combs right here, if y'all can see. And I'm just gonna tuck it underneath like that. And I'm just gonna pull the drawstrings to make it secure. And yeah, if you want, you can put bobby pins right here, but considering the fact that I created a braid, it's not necessary. But if you're doing this with your hair in the back put up into a ponytail and you don't have a braid to secure the combs, then yeah, you definitely want to put bobby pins to make the half wig a lot more secure. This is what it's looking like, y'all. About to let this ponytail down. And this is it, y'all. So let me model this for y'all. This is what the front looks like. Super cute. This is what the side looks like. And y'all see how my ponytail is like super high? I love it like that. Like, I don't like when the ponytail is low, and the ponytail is enough hair in it. It's so full and I love it. I'm gonna show y'all the back of my hair. So this is what the back looks like. It's nice and full. So Floss Fam, I hope you guys enjoyed today's easy breezy half up half down tutorial featuring Sensationnel's half up half down unit. I think it came out super cute. So be sure to comment down below your thoughts on how this hairstyle looks on me. I feel like it's definitely giving diva. It's giving what it's supposed to give. This is synthetic hair, but you can apply heat to it up to 400 Fahrenheit. And yeah, I'm just loving the curls on me. I'm loving how this look came together with my makeup. I just think it's so cute. It does tangle a little bit. Unit is definitely party proof because I wore this over a weekend to a party, and yeah, it's still holding up real nice. So y'all don't gotta go to the hair salon no more to get the half up half down. You don't gotta sit in your stylist chair for hours waiting for her to sew, weave, and tracks into the back, and then having to sleek and do all of that. You can do this yourself. Like, anybody's capable of achieving this. So definitely give this a try, and make sure if you do to comment down below and to let me know that you tried this, and you know, take photos. Make sure that you tag me. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram platforms at Flossy_princess with 2 eyes 93, and my makeup page at Face Paint by Marcy J. I'll definitely leave it up on the screen. Everything about this unit will be left down in the description. You can purchase this from my Amazon storefront. So yes, baddies, make sure to go cop. And like always, it's always my pleasure. I can't wait to see you guys in next week's video. Ciao.